Welcome to my Jannat. I am Shweta Shirur. I am glad and thank you so much for tuning to my channel. Long layered haircut is my favorite haircut and I am having this haircut from past 5 to 6 years. From past 4 years I am doing this haircut on my own. And let me tell you that I am not a hair specialist, neither I have done any beautician course. Just gave a try to do haircut on my own by watching YouTube videos. And now I am able to cut and trim my hairs on my own whenever I want. Always I get lot of questions about my haircut and how do I cut on my own. So in today's video I am going to show you how do I cut my long layered haircut at home by myself. There are 4 easy steps to be followed for this haircut. Now let's begin the haircut step by step. Items required to do this haircut are hair straightener, comb, few rubber bands, hair clips and scissors. Here I have washed my hairs with shampoo and dried completely. Now I have detangled and straightened all my hairs with the help of a straightener, as you can see here. It is always better to do haircut with straight hairs to get a good finishing. Firstly, put all your hairs upside down and brush smoothly to get a perfect haircut. Take your time to get all your hairs and align it perfectly. This is most important step to get good layers at the back. If you feel there are tangles, then remove it completely. Now, tie a ponytail tightly with rubber band at front side of your forehead, exactly center. Make sure your hair is tight and secured well. After that, leave some space and tie another rubber band, as you can see I am doing here. Now, slowly pull the rubber band exactly to the point where you want to cut. Then cut the last section horizontally by using scissors. Make sure to use good quality sharp scissors. After that, do point cutting at the edges of your hairs about half to 1 inch vertically to get a natural wavy layered look. Then check whether it is cut straight. Now remove the rubber band and once again check whether it is evenly cut. Now remove the main rubber band and check for the layers. This is how the first step layer cut looks. And you can already see the layers formed. If you wish, you can stop it to this level itself. As I like more layers, I'll continue with the more steps. Draw a straight line with your finger on the head, starting from the top of your ears, and flip your hairs to the front. Try to take your time to get a straight line to divide your hairs. Then secure the backside portion of the hairs with a rubber band or a clip so that it will not disturb while cutting the front portion. Rest of the process are same as before the first step. Initially, you will feel difficult to do this haircut on your own. As you start doing it regularly on your own, you will feel it very easy to do. and even you will save your time and money. This is the final look of second step. Draw a straight line with your finger on the head, starting from the tip of your eyebrows, and flip your hairs to the front. Then secure the back portion with the help of a clip. Rest of the process are same as before. Take your time and follow each step slowly so that you will get a good haircut. This is the final look of the third step. Draw a straight line with your finger on the head from the center of your eyebrows and flip the hairs. Then secure the back portion hairs and repeat the same process. Now we have completed with all the 4 steps. This is the final look of long layered haircut. This haircut is suitable and looks very pretty with curly and wavy hairs. Here I am taking small chunks of hairs in different layers, and you can see the hairs are even on both the sides. Hope I have explained and showed this video well, and I believe that it will be helpful for you. Please try to do this haircut and also share with your friends and family. For any reason, if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.